Finding the perfect top coat for your nails can make all the difference in the longevity and appearance of your manicure. Whether you want a glossy, chip-resistant finish or something to speed up drying time, the right top coat can enhance your nails' look and performance. In this video, we're reviewing the 5 best top coats for nails to help you achieve that perfect, salon-quality finish at home. Let's dive into our list and explore these fantastic products. Kicking off our list at number 1, Seche Vite. Seche Vite is one of the most popular and trusted top coats in the nail care industry. Known for its fast-drying and glossy finish, Seche Vite is a go-to for many professional manicurists and home users alike. It's perfect for anyone who needs a quick-drying solution without compromising on the quality of the finish. Key features: the fast-drying formula of Seche Vite provides a beautiful, high-gloss finish that lasts. It contains a unique blend of ingredients that protect your nails from chips and fading, ensuring your manicure looks fresh for days. The top coat is designed to be applied directly over freshly painted nails, sealing in your color while giving it a professional shine. Benefits and usage: Seche Vite's key benefit is its fast-drying property. It allows you to complete your manicure quickly, without worrying about smudges or waiting around for your nails to dry. Simply apply a thin layer of Seche Vite on top of your freshly painted nails, and you'll have a flawless finish in seconds. It's an essential for anyone with a busy schedule who doesn't want to compromise on quality. Usability: applying Seche Vite is straightforward. The brush is designed for easy application, allowing you to cover your nails with just a few strokes. The formula is smooth and applies evenly, preventing streaks and bubbles. Its fast-drying formula also reduces the risk of smudging, making it a great choice for those who need quick results. Durability: Seche Vite is renowned for its durability. Once applied, this top coat forms a protective barrier over your polish, preventing chips and extending the life of your manicure. It provides a strong finish that resists wear and tear, keeping your nails looking fresh for days. Whether you're typing, doing dishes, or just going about your daily tasks, your nails will stay glossy and chip-free. In the second spot, we have Hansen Insta-Dri. Hansen Insta-Dri is a top coat designed for those who need a quick-dry solution without compromising on shine or protection. With its unique formulation, it promises to dry your nails in just 30 seconds, making it a perfect choice for anyone looking for a speedy manicure without sacrificing quality. Key features: this top coat features a fast-drying formula that works quickly to seal in color and provide a glossy finish. Hansen Insta-Dri is enriched with an advanced formula that helps reduce smudging and improves the durability of your manicure. The inclusion of keratin strengthens the nails, while the brush is designed for easy, mess-free application. Benefits and usage: Hansen Insta-Dri is an excellent choice for those who are always on the go. If you're in a rush and don't want to wait for your nails to dry, this top coat provides a fast, effective solution. After painting your nails, simply apply a thin layer of Insta-Dri, and your nails will be dry to the touch within 30 seconds. This top coat is also great for enhancing the finish of your nail color. Usability: the brush is large and wide, allowing for quick and even coverage, and the formula dries quickly without leaving streaks or bubbles. The consistency is thin, which makes it easy to spread across the nails without adding too much thickness. It's also self-leveling, so you don't have to worry about uneven surfaces or brush marks. Durability: while the primary selling point of Hansen Insta-Dri is its speed, it doesn't skimp on durability. This top coat helps lock in color and prevents chips, keeping your nails looking polished for days. The fast-drying nature of Insta-Dri doesn't compromise its ability to provide a long-lasting, glossy finish, making it a reliable choice for those who need a quick yet durable solution. Coming in at number 3 is the OPI Top Coat. OPI is a brand that's trusted by professionals, and their top coat is no exception. Designed to provide a flawless finish, this top coat delivers a high-shine, protective layer that keeps your manicure looking fresh longer. It's perfect for anyone who wants a salon-quality finish at home. Key features: OPI Top Coat boasts a formula that not only provides a glossy shine, but also enhances the wearability of your nail polish. The formula is thick, which helps seal in color and provides a durable, long-lasting finish. The top coat also contains ingredients that help prevent your nails from chipping or fading, making it ideal for daily wear. Benefits and usage: OPI Top Coat is the perfect addition to any manicure routine. It offers a rich, glossy finish that will make your nails shine like you just walked out of a salon. It's also designed to be easy to apply, ensuring that you get a smooth, streak-free layer every time. Simply apply a thin layer on top of your freshly painted nails, and allow it to dry for a long-lasting, glossy result. Usability: the brush is well designed for precision and control, allowing for easy application without any mess. The thick consistency ensures a smooth application, covering your nails evenly. The top coat dries at a moderate pace, so you won't feel rushed, and it allows for the color to fully bond with the base, preventing smudging or bubbles. Durability: OPI Top Coat is designed to last. The thick layer of this top coat creates a durable shield that protects your nails from everyday wear and tear. Whether you're typing, cooking, or cleaning, your manicure will stay intact longer. The high shine finish doesn't fade, and your nails will remain glossy and chip-free for several days. Taking our fourth spot is Essie Gel Couture Top Coat. Essie Gel Couture Top Coat is a premium product that provides a long-lasting, gel-like finish without the need for UV light. If you want the look and durability of a gel manicure but prefer a more straightforward application process, this top coat is a great option. Key features: the Essie Gel Couture Top Coat is formulated to deliver a high-gloss, gel-like finish that is free from the need for UV curing. It provides the same long-lasting wear and shine that you would expect from a professional gel manicure. The formula is self-leveling, ensuring a smooth, even finish every time, and it's compatible with Essie's Gel Couture line of polishes for best results. Benefits and usage: this top coat enhances the longevity of your manicure, providing a professional-grade finish that lasts. It protects your color from chips and scratches, and it offers a glossy, smooth surface that makes your nails appear perfectly manicured. Simply apply a layer of the Gel Couture Top Coat over your colored polish for a salon-quality look. Usability: the application process is simple, and the consistency of the top coat makes it easy to spread over the nails without streaking or clumping. It glides smoothly and is perfect for those who want a gel-like finish without the hassle of UV lamps. This top coat dries fairly quickly, but it offers enough time to correct any uneven application. Durability: the Essie Gel Couture Top Coat is known for its incredible durability. It provides a protective shield that keeps your manicure looking fresh and glossy for up to 12 days without chips. Its chip-resistant technology ensures that your manicure will remain intact even through daily activities. This top coat is ideal for anyone who wants long-lasting results and a high-shine finish. And finally, at number 5, we have Revlon Quick Dry Top Coat. Revlon Quick Dry Top Coat is another great option for those who want a speedy solution to drying their nails. With its fast-drying formula, you can have a glossy, chip-resistant manicure in no time. It's ideal for anyone who's short on time but still wants a professional finish. Key features: this top coat has a fast-drying formula that seals in color and gives your nails a glossy, shiny finish. The formula is designed to prevent smudges and to provide a durable layer that protects your nails from chips and fading. It also enhances the color of your nail polish, giving it a vibrant and long-lasting finish. Benefits and usage: Revlon Quick Dry Top Coat is perfect for anyone who wants a manicure that dries quickly and stays fresh for days. After applying your nail color, simply apply a layer of this top coat to seal in your polish and add a glossy finish. It's perfect for busy individuals who need their nails to dry quickly but still want a flawless look. Usability: the formula is smooth and applies evenly, ensuring that you get a consistent layer every time. The brush is easy to use, and the quick dry feature makes it perfect for those who want to complete their manicure without waiting too long. The application process is straightforward and hassle-free. Durability: Revlon Quick Dry Top Coat offers excellent durability. Once applied, it creates a strong protective layer that prevents chips and extends the wear of your manicure. Even with frequent hand washing or exposure to the elements, your nails will stay looking fresh and glossy for days, making this top coat a reliable option for daily wear. And that's a wrap. We've reviewed the top 5 best nail top coats for you, and now it's time to choose the one that fits your needs best. Whether you're looking for quick-drying, long-lasting, or chip-resistant solutions, these top coats have something to offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert product reviews. Happy polishing!